Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure set. In today's video, we will see some of the built-in function which can be applied on set. Let's start. First function that we will see, length function. Length function returns the length of the set. For example, if you have a set length s1 as 10, 20, 30, this set contains 3 elements. And if we run length function on s1, it will return the length of the set, which is 3. If you want to see whether a element is present inside the set or not, you can run a membership test on a set using in and not in. If you want to check 30 is in s1 or not, if you write 30 in s1, if it is present, it will give true, otherwise it will throw false. So in this case it is true. If we write 25 in s1, 25 is not present in s1, then it is false. Vice versa of membership test, first it was in, second it is not in. In this case, if you say 10 not in s1, that we will check s1, yes it is present, then in this case it is false. Otherwise 10, okay, we use 15, okay, close, 15 not in s1. Check the content of s1. Yes, 15 is not in s1. If you run this cell, it will give you output true. That's it regarding today's video, in which we have seen how to apply built-in function on set data structure. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.